today I have a back to school Walmart school supplies college edition haul. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I am going to be doing a back to school giveaway on Sunday. Before I start this video, let me just let you guys know that on Wednesday this week I just posted a Target school supplies video for college related or high school related items. Same with this video. This one's gonna be like college / high school, but I'm just gonna aim it more towards college because I know high school they give you like a list of things, so you don't have as much freedom. In college is just kind of like you're on your own. You just kind of get whatever you want for the most part, except for like maybe math or something, or even science. But anyway, so today's video I'm going to be showing you guys everything I got from Walmart. This is a school supplies edition. Then on Sunday I will show you guys a Walmart and Target kind of like mix of both for like a dorm essentials kind of video. And everything's going to be super budget friendly, you guys. Like every video has been like super budget friendly. So in today's video, all the supplies I'm going to be showing you guys I got for under $45 plus tax. I got for around $45 plus tax. And then on Sunday when I have the dorm essentials video up, I will be showing you guys what my giveaway prize will be for one winner. So again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that because I'm super excited to be doing this back to school supplies kind of giveaway. So anyways, without further ado, let's just get started today's video. So the first item that I got is this Texas Instruments calculator. This is the Fundamental Scientific Calculator. It is the TI-30XIIS. And this is for general math, algebra, geometry, statistics, and general science. So I did get this for $8.97, which is a super great deal, and I love the color pink, so I thought this was like super cute to include in this haul. Up next, for any of you Lisa Frank lovers out there, I got this Lisa Frank notebook. This is like a journal kind of styled notebook, and I just really like the print of it. It has sparkly dolphins and a bunch of like sea creatures all over it. Super, super cute and adorable. I'm obsessed with this. And I got this for $1.96. And then I got another super cute journal notebook. On the back it has like a pink marble look, but then on the front it's literally just magenta glitter, and it's just super sparkly and pretty. I literally could not pass this up. This is so cute. It has all the lines just like in the Lisa Frank book. And I also got this composition book for $1.96 as well. Up next, I got this adorable pencil pouch. What's really cool about this pencil pouch is that it has straps, so you can like put it on a notebook like in the front if you want to, or maybe hang it somewhere if you want. It has a zipper down the side for some pencils and pens and highlighters and paper clips, whatever you want to put inside. And then it has like a slot right here. Maybe you want to put your calculator in here, and then maybe some like erasers in these two little see-through slots. I thought this was just super cute and adorable, and I got this for $5.86. Up next, I got a binder. This is a super cute binder. It's like a very light lilac purple color, which I love this shade of purple. It holds up to 220 sheets, and I got this for $1.88. And then I also got this white one for $1.80. It's the exact same binder, but it's just in white. And then to match the binder, I found this adorable colored notebook. So these go really well together. These pair almost exactly the same. This is a one subject notebook, and it has 100 sheets in it, and they are wide ruled. And this is by Pen and Gear, and it also has inside pockets right here for you guys. You guys could like stick some papers in there if you need to. And I got this for only 97 cents. Up next, I found this really awesome box of like bright colored mechanical pencils. So you got some pink, orange, green, blue, yellow, and purple different colored mechanical pencils. What's cool is that all the erasers match the pencils, and they're just super bright, fun colors. This has 50 mechanical pencils in it, and these are 0.7 mm lead, and these are also number 2 pencils. And this is also by the brand Pen and Gear, and I got these for only $5.44. Up next, I got this Scotch tape, and it's like a super cute teal blue color, like bright colored, and this is just like super cute. And I got this for only 97 cents. Up next, I got this Post-it notes cube, and I got like these really pretty color ones. It has some magenta, some teal, and then some lime green colors. This has 400 pieces of paper in it. And I got these for $3.97. Up next, I got like these really pretty, almost like pastel rainbow colored Sharpies. There's a total of 8 different colors. You got some blues here, a green, an orange, and a pink, and then some like purple and magenta shades down here. These are fine point permanent markers, and this is by the Sharpie brand. And I just thought these ones were like such cute colors. And I got these for $5.97. Up next, I got these Bic Crystal pens. It comes with 10 plus 3 bonus pens. So it has a yellow, a blue, and a purple pen in here, and all the rest are black, which is kind of cool. It has like some colorful pens in here. So I'm pretty sure the ink draws in those colors. If it does, that's like super awesome. But I'm not 100% sure. I feel like they do, otherwise I don't know if they would have done that. Anyways, these pens are only $1.26 and you get 13 pens. I think that's like a really good deal. Up next, I got these pen and gear again. I feel like that's like almost the theme today is pen and gear. The binders were pen and gear. The notebook was pen and gear. The mechanical pencils. A bunch of the stuff in here was by Pen and Gear. I didn't even know that when I was shopping. Anyways, I got these ruled index cards. So in my last haul, those index cards were not ruled. They were just plain white. These ones are ruled, and you get some really fun colors in here too. So a bunch of these are white, and then you get some neon pink, green, orange, and yellow bright colors, which is super fun. So these are 3x5 inch, 200 count, and heavy weight. And I got these for $1.97. The next item I got is this adorable, it's like a notebook. And what was so cool about this is that this pencil pouch kind of matches it. And I thought this was like so cute. This is by Mint Green, and this is by Pen and Gear, which is kind of funny, but like I just thought that they matched so well. And if you wanted to like strap this on this notebook, then it would be like super cute. So this notebook has lined paper in it. It is a 1-subject notebook, college ruled, with 60 sheets of paper, and I got this for $3.24. And then the last item I have here is this 500 sheets college ruled notebook paper, and I got this for only $2.64, which I think is like a super great deal for 500 sheets of paper. So that is everything that I got from Walmart for school supplies. Again, don't forget to stay posted for this Sunday because I will be showing you guys all the dorm essentials, and then I will also be having a giveaway at the end of that video. And so yeah, that's everything that I got. Let me know in the comments below what your guys' favorite items were. My favorite items were probably these 2 notebooks. I just think that they're like super cute and fun. But yeah, so that is everything for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I will be checking for the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day.